Hey everyone, welcome back to Wandering Wards. Today we're diving into a long-term review of a small but mighty upgrade that has transformed our RV experience. Their Sirocco 12-volt fan.
These fans have been a savings grace on scorching days since we only have one air conditioner. Stick around and find out why these fans have been a game changer for RV living.
These fans are incredible, offering 360-degree airflow with ultra-quiet operation. They've been a real game changer in our RV.
So we chose them for their energy efficiency and the built-in timer feature, which allows us to set them to turn on and off automatically.
So, funny story. After wiring them wrong the first time, I had to redo everything. Lesson learned. With the right tools and time, it was easy enough. I should note that I'm not an electrician, but was still able to get to do this install.
Yeah, we can laugh about this now, but at the time it was not funny, and it was quite a project.
Yeah, it was. Over the past 2 years, these fans have been nothing short of reliable and effective. They kept us cool in the hottest of conditions.
They're quiet, powerful, and have seamlessly integrated into our RV lifestyle. We can't imagine our RV life without them.
Some of the pros are they have a quiet operation, low power draw since they're 12 volt, adjustable airflow, you can adjust the tilt and the draw of the head, and they have built-in timers. They've been a fantastic addition.
So some of the cons are the installation was a bit tricky due to the small wiring and mounting space, and also my husband has really big fingers. But once they were up, we haven't had any issues.
If I had to do it all over again, I would have purchased and installed these fans on the very first day we got our RV. This is easily one of the top upgrades we've done to our RV.
Absolutely. The Sirocco II 12-volt fans have made our RV experience so much more comfortable and convenient. We highly recommend them.
So if you've made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe for more RV tips and adventures.
See you in the next video.